Now, let's talk to Mr. Ritesh.
Everybody should know about it, exactly what is skill assessment. Generally, the skill assessment, the outcome time is generally 15 days also, 25 days, 30 days. Evaluation of your skills, work experience, education, in order to check the eligibility of the Australian visa. The only thing you need a perfect team for that. And just to begin for Australia PR, you need to get your profile evaluated.
We are thrilled to announce that our candidate, Mr. Anant, got his positive skill assessment for Australia PR. His path wasn't straightforward. His SAIL profile came under the NEC category, which has low success rates. Despite his unusual profile, our process consultants used their expertise to get Anant a positive skill assessment in just 80 days. Now, let's talk to Mr. Ritesh, who is the head of process consultant team for immigration services at GetGIS. Welcome, sir, and thank you for joining. Now, to begin with, sir, what does skill assessment mean?
Thank you for this conversation. And the question which you asked, it's a very critical question. Everybody should know about it, exactly what is skill assessment. So skill assessment is a very critical step in order to get the Australia immigration process to complete it, right? So it includes the evaluation of your skills, work experience, education, in order to check the eligibility of the Australian visa.
Moving on, sir, how long is the skill assessment actually valid?
Okay, so usually the skill assessment report is valid for 3 years almost, and this is the time frame. In 3 years, the individual has to get your visa application done in order to get the successful PR.
Next, sir, what are the factors that affect skill assessment?
So there are several factors which is affecting the skill assessment to get the positive outcome. So the one of the most important first factor is the qualification. Second is work experience. Third is the most important part again, the documentation work. And the last but not the least is your occupation skill which you are selecting as per the NZSCO code.
Sir, Anand's skill assessment took 80 days. Is this the standard time or does it take more time?
Actually, not at all. Generally, the skill assessment, the outcome time is generally 15 days also, 25 days, 30 days. There are several factors which need to be taken care. As per that, we can get the skill assessment report more faster also.
So, do you have any advice or suggestion for our viewers?
Yes, it is more possible way to get your profile for Australia PR just to evaluate in a very proper and strategic way. The only thing you need a perfect team for that. And just to begin for Australia PR, you need to get your profile evaluated.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. It was great having you.
Thank you so much for having me for this wonderful conversation.
Great. Get your free profile evaluation done today. Check the link in bio.